the shutdown, they shoved everything in there because some people had to leave, so that was just pure luck. Thank goodness.
Because the first time you went, it was what? You were working like 19-hour days, it seemed like, and then this last one, it seemed like you had like normal hours almost.
Well, we also started super early because they were trying to push everything in. Yeah, work trips, usually each day, work day is 14 hours. And the reason it's 14 hours is because traveling to and from it's like an hour each way.
I probably should have chosen a loadout with shield. Oh well. Nice.
We have done well putting down this twisted.
You're welcome. Oh, for putting him in execution?
I mean, I actually meant to hit reload, but I hit E instead, I guess. Right now.
My total ammo shouldn't be like 200 rounds though.
It actually normally is. Wait, which weapon?
The bolter. Oh, that's okay. Thought I actually put that down.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I know. I'm getting bullied by a Terminator. Good thing I put my banner down, to be honest.
What is this, dude?
There's a lictor?
Oh wait, hang on.
What is going on?
An unkillable lictor constantly pursues you. Dealing damage to it will make it go away for a little bit.
Bro.
I hope he doesn't show up in the boss fight.
Oh, he's going to.
What is this Terminator, dude? What? Jesus.
I feel that way.
My ball.
The lictor's back.
If you do
oh my gosh!
It's if you have to do like damage to him and then he'll leave you alone.
No, I did. I had a shot on him. Who keeps throwing grenades?
No, that's his special. Is it knocks you too for some reason.
Oh, does it? Oh shit,
yes.
my bad. I forgot about that.
You good?
Friendly fire with the abilities, my bad. I'm over here slinging that thing around like a fucking. Yeah, there are many bullet Terminators. Oh, and they're behind us from the other way.
Oh, there's 4. I got 2.
one.
Third one is on
Hey,
me also.
Mr. Overachiever.
And then these chaos spawn things just soak up damage, dude.
They are bullet sponges. Yeah, that's on the Trigon.
I'm hoping that does the trick with being a bulwark. Oh, Lictor!
Why did I just gunstrike that guy instead of the Lictor?
Yeah, that's alright.
Terminate that perversion of life. Fresh magazine.
Oh my gosh, he doesn't go away!
Thousand suns.
Wizard Harry.
2, there's 2.
Did we not get?
Get out of here!
Oh, and a Terminator. Multiple Terminators.
Got the Terminator.
There's another one.
I don't even know what's real at this point.
Are you tripping?
There's a Terminator up here.
I feel no traitor identified.
Oh!
I can dodge whatever it is that this guy's doing. Come here.
Ow! Damn it, dogs!
Ah, you weren't there when I hit the button.
Hit the button.
I was. There's a wizard on the other side, it looks like,
I
too.
called it in, yeah.
Ow! Wizard's down.
The spearman troubles us no more.
About to be Winchester.
I do love the layout of X to carry all the power shells and stuff.
Jeepers peepers, dude. Fucking hey, buddy.
What is that?
Emperor's glory to end these wonders.
I got bullied.
Oh, Lictor.
Fresh magazine.
Terminator.
Ow.
Got one of them.
Come here.
Stop doing that, Jesus.
I don't have banner, but I can pick you up. Hang on.
Yeah.
I don't have banner either.
The Lictor's
Tactical,
just not
tactical would
going
be
away.
nice right now. Maybe I should have stayed tactical for this one. I got the
Dude, I got like 6 gun strikes on the Lictor. And like was melee attacking the shit out of it. It just would not go away.
This dude is messing us up.
He won't die.
Oh yeah, here he is.
Let us
Right here.
heretic insurgent banner ready to deploy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm tripping out.
Ow. Stalk's going in with his...
Well done! The spearman lies slain.
I got one. Alright, I'm gonna drop on them.
So did I, and I think that guy was up there that called off reinforcements.
Probably. Are we all down here now? We are.
Yeah.
Oh, finally. Melt the bomb.
Resources acquired.
This might be the funniest thing they ever added to this game, though, the being able to run through this cultist.
And they just explode.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they should remove that execution on the chainsword because my guy just put his hand on the spinning blade like it was nothing. Hellbrute?
Ow! Come on. Come on, you want to play football games? Oh. Alright, you just want to leave me?
Me?
I'm thinking of the Hellbrew, I dropped my banner.
Oh, I dropped my banner
Oh my
down
God.
here too because Terminator.
He doesn't like me.
I see that.
We're gonna have to get ammo before we leave this area.
I for sure am.
Send the spearman to its master.
This boy is executionable if someone wants it.
Got him. He just reappeared at the same place?
Yeah, I mean, all three of us are staying here.
Let me up, please. I would like to die.
Take the execution stalks by when he goes down there. Oh, maybe not. Oh, Lictor's on me. I'm about to die.
Hey, alright. I killed the Terminator.
May you find no rest in darkness.
There's another Terminator.
That
Hellbrute's low.
I got Terminator. Somebody execute.
I got the Hellbrute.
Okay.
Sorry, I was almost to nothing. Otherwise, I would have let you.
He
No, I
got
had the Terminator
yeah,
XP.
he got the Terminator.
Alright, I need to get ammo now. Lictor, leave us alone!
Lictor.
You just hit all three of us. That was impressive.
And I had a block shot and I couldn't use it. There, here it comes.
Dude, he just does not go away, dude. Like,
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, I wonder what his damage amount is. Oh, good.
As traitor identified.
Because we were distracted so long.
True. Oh, there's still the.
See your weapon malfunction.
Oh, we have to go left or right. I was looking at those and I was like, am I?
Golly.
I'm gonna go get that astropath that's knocking us over.
A dark path is ended today.
Or not. Whoa. Bonk.
An altar is destroyed.
oh, okay. Glad that I'm
There's at least one
at.
Fuck!
Terminator boy.
Yeah, he's bullying me right now.
Lord. Yeah.
Golly! Got him.
There's
There's
another
more
one.
now, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, there's a rocket one.
Bonks, use your stem!
I don't have any.
What happened to the one that you picked up?
Bro, I used it during the Hellbrew fight because he was bullying
my
the crap
gosh.
out of me.
Okay. That's fair.
I like how I'm getting the noise for making perfect blocks, but I'm not getting any of the
Astartes has died.
Perks?
gun strikes. They don't like recoil or anything. What's going on?
There's so many Terminators. I got one.
Yeah, that too. I am dead, by the way.
Insufficient penalty for your heresies. Our banner awaits unfurled.
I'm fighting the Lictor. I'm glad you're here because that Lictor was getting really annoying. Why can't he attack the computer too? Alright, I'm getting this. Go back.
No foul altars remain. The astropath barrier is down. End that abomination.
That dude hit me with the greatest patience. Oh my.
Fucking Lictor.
There's an execution by you. Never mind.
No, there isn't.
He was behind you.
Oh, frickin' Terminator that has missiles just got me.
Saw that.
How did I get up already?
I dropped banner.
Must wait.
Wow.
See your weapon malfunction.
Who took my execution?
Our spirits stand stronger than their corruption.
Me, but it was an accident.
Burn their heretics.
Because there's a little disc boy.
Is that Lictor still coming on to us?
The only benefit to the Lictor is if you can parry him, you get armor back because we have the perk that makes it so you don't have to. So you get armor back from non-finishing. Alright, Terminators are dead. Unless there's one more.
No, I got one.
You
I see our objective, guys. I forsake my roots. I will no longer serve our rotting cause. Cruelty speaks with our voices, but our zeal will shield us from silent something. Where's like
Lictor or something.
Terminators.
Wizard.
Two wizards. There's three wizards.
sorcerous heretic?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Execute that one, lest it summon demons. My mind is sealed against
I'd like to die for this.
Okay, I took away their shield.
Yeah.
I got one. That lictor is here again.
Get off of me. Go the fuck
The other one.
away.
Inserting rounds.
Dodge, please.
He went away. Never mind.
No, he didn't.
Oh, yeah, I took my hand off my mouse to scratch my head. And he tried to jump me.
Reload. Brother, I am the Emperor's great father.
I'm coming. Okay, I'm trying to res him. I feel like priority should be resing over executing.
Fresh cartridge.
Where are they?
Ready to
Behind?
I don't know.
Oh, up ahead.
targeted a blasphemous swine.
I thought we were spread out more.
What is behind us?
A bunch of little dudes. Oh, there's one behind us.
Shangar is reduced to a stain on the back.
Bunch of Terminators.
Oh, there's a bunch.
I didn't hear.
Let's just stand here real
Got
quick.
one.
There's two on me.
Brought in fresh warriors.
Yeah, you're by yourself, bro.
Ah, okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I
I want to jump down.
I would stay if these were the melee ones, though. All right, let's wait for them. Come on, jump down. Let's go. Oh, there he is.
That is heretical behavior. Them to the pit.
I got him. I got all three of the.
Golly.
I got three of the wizards over here with the Melta.
Fresh
Saw that
magazine.
dude just stacked on my screen.
Let us cleanse these lost astropaths.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright.
Ow.
Speak now.
You can parry his attacks, but you literally. But he does so many in a row that it's like absolute nightmare. Oh, I hate these.
Beams blood from our armor.
Okay.
I shot one of the tentacles.
Brother, what
One
is...
down.
Anyone else tripping?
Yeah.
Oh, into the darkness we go.
Let's run.
Honestly, this is the most pain boss to ever fight. This thing is such a nightmare to fight.
Oh, he went for me. He's beating the shit out of me.
I'm shooting him.
Fresh cartridge.
Whoa.
Did
I can't even see my screen because he's right behind me.
Now to eliminate the source.
Okay.
Remove those tentacles at once. Inserting rounds. Remove that spearman from the battle.
Oh, there's the ammo
He's
box.
back. Where is it? Can you mark it?
On me.
Resupply.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, good. Frag grenades. Lovely. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Fresh magazine. Honor our captive color.
Okay. Okay. It's like as soon as you miss one,
It's like the high
It
parent
like
one.
knocks you. Yeah, it like knocks you enough that you miss all of them.
I didn't even realize I had a mortal wound until now. Drop your banner, Rug, where he's attacking you.
That's not me.
Oh, he's gonna
Oh,
call.
he's doing this bullshit thing.
Yeah, you have to kill all the guys. Kill everything. Behind you.
Report.
Should be one more.
So I didn't get-
Over there.
That is heretical behavior.
Another one.
That's not me. Our banner awaits unfurling.
You can just sit here and pound on it, nothing happens.
Oh, he's coming after me. Cool. Dude, I literally can't do anything.
You need banner? Oh,
No, I'm
you got
good.
it.
I dropped mine.
Where shall I plant this flag?
I don't even see him. I'm
Shot the tentacle thing.
he's almost dead.
Can't see anything.
Reload.
Oh, I'm getting slammed.
He's almost dead, so we're good.
Oh,
There we go.